Hello, this is Rhonda Church Finfrock of Fruitful Life Studio in Exeter, California, and this video is a follow-up to this folkloric dress that I stenciled. If you haven't seen that YouTube video, make sure you check it out. But this video is about the button jewelry that I created for this dress. I made these button covers in copper patina from DIY, and then I made another set in silver metallic paint. Button covers snap right over your existing buttons, and you can take them on and off to match any outfit. Use any metal glue to attach the resin cast button to the mechanism. Button cover supplies are available from my website, fruitfullifestudio.com, as well as all the IOD and DIY products. Here I'm brushing away the extra glue that was oozing out of the sides, making sure none of it got into the mechanism. I didn't want them to glue shut. For the copper set, I painted a base coat in weathered wood, and for the silver set, the base coat is Little Black Dress by DIY. I watered down DIY's old 57 and painted the button covers to make a faux turquoise effect. I stamped each button cover with IOD's craquelure stamp. I cut out a little piece, as well as their ink in stone gray.
Hello, my heart beats, hello again. Between the worries, we head for land.
I painted over the weathered wood with some accents with DIY's copper patina called Pennies from Heaven. For the silver set, I painted over Little Black Dress with some Modern Masters metallic silver paint.
And I know there is a reason.
Next, I sealed all the button covers with 3 coats of DIY's Big Top top coat. To create an aged look on the button covers, I applied verdigris wax by DIY to the copper buttons and black wax to the silver buttons.
And I'll be coming home.
To assure that no wax would get onto my clothing, I buffed softly, waited 24 hours, and then gave it a final buff.
And I'll be coming home.
I appreciate your likes and shares, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, happy creating, and have a great day.